Each year, 125,000 animals are killed solely for sport, and humans have done little to ponder both the moral and environmental effects that this may have. With 15 million hunters in the US alone, HuntAid hopes to change this problem. After looking across the market, we have realized that this is clearly a blue ocean market. With the same hunting bullets being used for the last 100 years, we have seen that we can look across different industries with different material being used to make bullets. We can add buyers by attracting those who never would hunt before because of moral standards against killing animals. And we can reshape the trend and attitude of hunting that is present today in this $25.46 billion market. Research has shown two main reasons that the hunting market is so poor right now, and that is mainly with the method of hunting. With keystone species dying from black bears to coyotes to lions, etc., environments cannot handle these important populations becoming extinct. Research also shows that because the lead bullets will stay in the decomposing bodies of these animals, the lead bullets will also seep into the soil, contaminating it and the plants that grow with it. And those animals that eat those contaminated plants will also die, causing a chain effect of destruction within the environment. This is where HuntAid comes in. We designed a product made of PLA plastic, which is completely biodegradable, and thiopental, which is a commonly used medical animal tranquilizer. The doses of chemical and size of the projectile will vary based on the size of the animal. The cone-shaped front of this projectile will allow it to pierce the skin of, but not fully enter the animal, as bullets do. A thin layer will then break upon impact, thus releasing the chemical into the animal. This will cause a daze with the animal starting almost immediately, and then knocking the animal out completely within as little as 5 minutes. The hunter is then able to take a picture with the animal as their trophy. And when the animal wakes up, the projectile eventually falls out of the skin and is harmless to the environment due to the complete, fully biodegradable aspect of PLA plastic. HuntAid outweighs the typical bullet market in almost every aspect, besides a slight price increase. But this is outweighed by the improvements. There is almost complete elimination of lethal toxicity to animals and the environment. It completely eliminates the extinction factor of hunting. Population regulation is improved because while hunting can reduce overpopulation, it also increases the threat of major decline in the population size. Animal safety is improved greatly through only temporary incapacitation rather than death. This also increases human safety, with these bullets being fired from an air gun rather than the more dangerous typical guns used for hunting. And this extends beyond regular bullets by allowing natural events to occur without losing the thrill of hunting. As stated previously, HuntAid is slightly more expensive than the average bullet. A typical average size hunting bullet is about 50 cents per bullet, compared to $1.02 for the thiopental and 43 cents for the PLA plastic to make one projectile of HuntAid. Shoot the world into the future with HuntAid.